Hello everyone, today is a brochure tour. This was printed in July of 1974 and it represents the 1974 or 1975 Ford F-Series medium-duty trucks. Alright, as you can see, being used kind of like in a farm setting here. That's the cover, and then we're going to go right into it. And as you can see, I'm going to fly over, but nice full color photography. Depicts various different body styles, axle styles, and things of that nature. Looks like you have a 4-door crew cab. Single cab F700 dump truck, which looks really cool with the chrome grille. Looks like you have a tractor here, an F750, F600 with the van body, and really cool here, the F600 with 4-wheel drive. So we'll just kind of go over each page here. Here is the interior. Looks like you have a custom cab here, which is their higher end one with the high-end vinyl and comfort weave look to it. I've actually driven a truck like this before. It was an F600 custom cab. This here depicts the crew cab that we saw on the previous page. 4 full seats, 3 across, could be 4 actually, they're so wide inside. Alright, here's the page that everybody likes, Payloads and Capacities here. Depicts the entire frame and running gear, including the transmission, engine, all the drivetrain. This is a 4-wheel drive model, as you can see from the transfer cases here. Interestingly enough, you can also opt with an automatic transmission. It was an Allison AT540 4-speed automatic, and it was available in the F600, 700, and 750 in 4x2 configurations. Alright. Here's all the capacity charts here. And I think we're on the back cover here. Got the L line here, the C series, and the W series. Alrighty, and that does conclude our look at the Ford F-Series brochure from 1974. If you like this video and would like to see more like it, please comment down below. Also, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. And check out our Facebook page at facebook.com/neighborhoodcarreviews and our Instagram channel at BrensoJ1. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.